Hey, this video is to show you since we're working home or in the future if you're working home and you're on a different device than what we have at school, this is a great way to show you or the students how to use their different programs within Office 365 or the Google Drive. So the first thing you want to do is go to a web browser and you want to go to the district website at fwcs.k12.in.us. I would direct your students to hit the student tab. And then on this page, you're going to see this login to Clever or login to 365. I would just tell them to log into Clever. This is the hub where we work from. So when you log into Clever, it's going to give you the district sign in. Just remember it's first.last at fwcsstudents.org and the computer password. Okay, so on your page, every page is going to look different. It's more how you have it set up and use it. But if you come down here, you're going to see some different things to click that use our single sign-on for our district. So here is that Office 365, PowerSchool Learning. Up here you can see Google Drive. So these are the two that I would direct students to use. So the main one we've been using this year is Google Drive. So we'll click that. And as long as they're signed into their account, they should get right in. If not, you just need to sign in with that first, that last again. And this is where they can access all the stuff they make. And they can just do new. Here is their Google Docs, their Google Sheets, their Google Slides. They can go to more and get all these other applications. Okay, so remember all of this works out in the cloud. So another great feature is you can actually access your Google Drive without internet and it'll save it locally. And then once you get back on the internet, it'll basically resync out to the internet so you don't lose anything. So that's the Google Drive. So they have access. This is all online, so they don't have to worry about downloading anything. But I know some like the oldie programs or the ones that are built into the desktop or the actual machine itself. So that's where I would go to Microsoft 365 to get your PowerPoint, your Microsoft Word, any Windows program essentially that you would use for publishing. So once they get here, they have all the icons right here on the main screen. Here's their email, here's their OneDrive where they can save everything as well. They have Microsoft Word, they have Microsoft Excel, PowerPoint. I know PowerPoint is a big one. I know between Google Slides and Office 365 PowerPoint, you can't do as much online. So sometimes it's nice to open it on your computer. So that's the nice thing about this one. So if I open PowerPoint on my computer, I'm going to do a new presentation. So right now I'm working with it out in the cloud. So as I'm working, I realize, oh, I don't have all the features of the program I want. So I can actually hit this open in desktop app and you just tell it to open PowerPoint app, you tell it yes, and then it's going to take, a couple seconds to basically transfer it and upload it onto your computer. And then once it's uploaded on your computer, the two systems are actually going to sync back and forth. So as I'm working here, you're going to see it automatically saving. Well, it's automatically going to be saving out here. Now, let's say you have a student say, well, I don't have PowerPoint on my computer, or you don't have PowerPoint on your home computer. So here is another great feature. So I'm going to go back to my main screen here. Oops, I went back too far. Hold on. Here we go. So I'm going to get here. So on my computer, if I go to my start menu and I can't find the not Windows, Microsoft programs for 2016. That's the newest one. You can actually hit right here, this install Office, and you want to hit this first one, Office 365 apps. It is going to install the newest Outlook, OneDrive, Word, Excel, PowerPoint. So your computer can get the newest version. Everyone has access. If you don't have it, you've obviously already used your download. Okay, so I just wanted to make sure that you were aware of how you can do everything in the cloud, how Office 365 PowerPoint can be opened on your desktop. It goes for the same for all these. It can be opened on the desktop and it'll save to the cloud. And then if you don't have the newest software, you can install it to your computer.